Hi, this is my Books app that I created as a part of Project One for CS50. What the app allows you to do is it allows you to create a username, it allows you to log in as a user, it allows you to access a database of books, it allows you to post reviews, read reviews of existing users, and it gives you some information from Goodreads. So let me just start the first step by registering as a user. So let's create test one as a user. Sorry, I'll type slightly more silently because it's really annoying when you share it, I think, on your end. So if I click on submit, it registers me as a user. It automatically logs me in, but if you type test one and my password in this case was test one, then you can also log in. If you log out, you're able to log in as well. But when you register, I kind of created a functionality which allows the app to automatically log you in. Once you're logged in, you can search for a book. So you can search for anything in the book. It needn't be the title. It can be the author as well. It can be the ISBN code, and it doesn't exact. It's not case sensitive. It doesn't necessarily need to be the whole word. So for this example, I'm gonna take the Rainmaker by John Grisham. So just by typing rain, I get a whole list of all of the books which are contained within the database. And as you can see, the number one is the Rainmaker. Below that, you can see that there's an author called Rowell, and that's also come in the search results as well. Okay, so then we go to Rainmaker, and the reason it takes a bit longer is because it fetches this data from Goodreads, which is your average ratings and your times, that number of times that the book has been reviewed. Other than that, you can also see previous reviews which have been submitted by other users, which both happen to be me, but from different user accounts. And you can submit your own rating. This book is not all that great. Actually, no, I don't want to say that. This book is great. I mean, why should I say it? I haven't read it myself. 5 stars. Submit. And then what that does is it submits. It says thanks for your review, and you can search for the Rainmaker again, and your review is gonna have come up there. Let's see, that's me. Test one. Um, there's also API access. So say for example, you know the ISBN code, and you can, as a programmer, uh, you can get all of the details of the book in JSON format by giving the ISBN code. So yeah, that's my app. Thank you for watching.